Original Defense just popped over this wireless battery bank for an unboxing. Let's check this thing out and see what we got inside. This thing is solid. It's got nice grips on the side, and it's shockproof and water resistant. This battery bank has 20,000 milliamp hours, which can give you 8 full phone charges. It's also got this convenient loop for a carabiner. My favorite feature about the device is the 5-inch solar panel here on the front, and it only takes 60 minutes to charge the battery completely. There's 3 USB ports underneath a rubber cover on the top. 2 of these are fast chargers. So when you push the power button once, it turns on LEDs that let you know how charged you are. Click the power button twice, turns on the ultra bright LED flashlight. There's a micro USB port right on the side for fast charging. It also has a built-in compass, perfect for outdoor activities. This device is a must for everyday life and emergency situations. Click the link below to get up to 60% off this week only.